making a flavorful chuck roast in the crock pot, and I'm going to show you how it's very easy. Let's get started. Here is a nice sized chuck roast. What we're going to do is make a spice rub for our chuck roast, and we are going to put these ingredients in. The first thing you need is a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of paprika. You also need a tablespoon of onion powder. And you're going to use a tablespoon of smoked paprika. To that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. And that's smoked chipotle powder. And then I have about a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. I'm gonna add that to it. And then all you need to do is just stir the mixture up. Then you're going to need an entire can of tomato paste, about a cup and a half of beef broth. And you're gonna go ahead and put the tomato paste into the beef broth. So you're going to want to stir this completely until your tomato paste is incorporated into the beef broth. Next, we're going to take our chuck roast and we're going to put it in our crock. Take our spice rub and we're going to put half of it on the top. Next, we're going to pour our tomato paste and beef broth over the top. We're going to put the lid on and cook it for 8 hours on low.